Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the clip and tools. Choose a stable, high frame rate shot and enable GPU acceleration so tracking runs smoothly. Once done, import the footage and make a dedicated tracking layer. You want separation so edits don't alter the source. Next, add the face detection module and define the initial bounding box around the face you'll track. This is the first actionable step. Position handles tightly around eyes and nose, so the algorithm has clear reference points going forward. Once the initial track runs, you refine it. Track both forward and backward to cover the whole clip and enable translation, rotation, and scale so the face fits in all poses. If the tracker drifts by more than a few pixels, stop and add manual keyframes to correct those frames. This prevents compounding error. Then create separate feathered masks for eyes, mouth, and hairline and set appropriate blend modes. That isolates edits and preserves natural skin transitions while keeping your applied effects anchored. You finish by applying your adjustments to the masked regions, color correction, retouching, or subtle stabilization, and always preview at full resolution so you spot small errors. Once satisfied, render a short test clip and inspect for sync, jitter, aliasing, or color shifts that reveal tracking faults. If you encounter persistent drift, increase the tracker's search area or switch to a planar tracker as a fallback. That often fixes occlusion and rotation problems. One key troubleshooting tip: add manual keyframes at
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.